It's showtime here on Monster Truck Classics with the Monster Jam Series 34 Maximum Destruction. The gold Max D Maximum Destruction from 2016 when Morgan Kane drove this body style at the World Finals. So let's go ahead and check out the other trucks in Series 34. Arena Favorites Maximum Destruction is in. Now the other trucks in the series is the 25th Anniversary Gravedigger, Kraken, Pirate's Curse, Blue Thunder, Crustacean, Lucas Oil Stabilizer, Megalodon, and Soldier Fortune. And if you didn't know, Soldier Fortune is the chase piece in this series. Here in 2024, I wanted to mention that this looks like to be the first time of seeing this QR code on the front of the package behind the truck. Here is Maximum Destruction out of the package, and we get the gold beadlock rings around the gray wheels, and then the BKT lettering on the tires. Then we get a gray chassis and a black roll cage. And now onto the body itself. Here it is, Maximum Destruction. It has on the side, and it does say Tom Meents, and there is a lot of electrical work design going on the side, and that is because of Maximus back here on the back here. There he is on the back, and then on the top it has the Dow with Tom Meents, and then it's kind of difficult to see if it just says world champion or if it tells you how many times he is a world champion on top. But it does have, you can kind of tell by, if you follow Monster Jam and Max D, what it looks like. On top it says Monster Jam, maybe World Finals champion on top there, and then some more electrical looking design on the top of Max D. On the side we have the Monster Jam logo, and right here this like little black area, docker area I should say, looks like it's supposed to be like some kind of a window for some reason. And then on the sides here we have the dots going down for kind of like the spikes of Max D. Right here to going up, there's like little dots for being the spikes for Max D Maximum Destruction, and the fire that's supposed to be going along here, then up here around the window. So that's what that looks like. We come around to the front here. It's hard to see, but that's supposed to say on a mission in the middle right there. Here we go on the hood of the truck. We get Tom Meents and the Dow again, and then the designs of the electrical work from Maximus. And on to the other side, what it looks like as well. And on to the back, that's what it looks like on the back. So the details is kind of like a little bit goldish, and then a little bit dark gold where they put on, like you see where Maximus is, and then the fire that comes down is, it's a little bit darker kind of gold. So it's not like, it's a different kind of tint of gold that it looks like on the truck. In real life, the body said Max D, and then underneath it had Maximum Destruction all on one line. So it would be Max D Maximum Destruction. So hopefully in the future they will fix this so that we will have that on a diecast form to look like how it was in real life. That's the review and unboxing of Maximum Destruction, the gold version. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing.